Hi, welcome back to the EaseUS channel. Alright, you clicked on this video because you're clearly a fan of the Merc with a mouth Deadpool. You know, that unfiltered, quick-witted, fourth-wall-breaking superhero, well, anti-hero, technically, from the Marvel Universe. And today, I'm going to show you how you can sound just like him using EaseUS VoiceWave. Yes, people, it's finally possible to give your voice that perfect Deadpool sass in real time. So, why would you want to sound like Deadpool? Oh, let's think. First off, the guy's got charisma for days. His voice is equal parts charm, sarcasm, and did he really just say energy. Imagine jumping into your gaming chats or joining a voice call with friends and hitting them with that classic Deadpool line.
Hey there, it's not just about having a deeper voice, it's about the attitude, baby.
Thanks to EaseUS VoiceWave, you can instantly transform into the loudmouthed anti-hero himself with just a click. It's crazy simple. You literally select Deadpool from the voice menu, and bam! Your voice oozes Deadpoolness, live and in real time. No annoying delays, no choppy robot voice, just pure, sarcasm-laced perfection. Now let's do a quick demo. I'm going to activate the Deadpool voice and hop into character. Get ready to hear some top-tier anti-hero vibes.
Hey there, internet stranger. You clicked on this video, which means either you're very, very brave, or you're just trying to figure out how to impress your cat. Either way, welcome to the inside of my mind. And yes, it's just as fabulous as you imagine.
So, EaseUS VoiceWave doesn't just give you a slightly different voice, it really lets you embody Deadpool's whole persona. The software is high quality, meaning you get that crisp, clear, studio-grade sound. Imagine tossing out Deadpool's snarky lines in a group chat.
Remember, I'm the anti-hero who brings a knife to a gunfight, then pulls out a bigger gun.
Or even just ordering coffee as Deadpool.
Yeah, I'll take a grande caramel macchiato with an extra shot of awesome.
Priceless reactions, I promise. And here's where EaseUS VoiceWave really shines. This isn't just a Deadpool voice effect slapped together. The app is packed with a huge library of character voices, from heroes to villains to the slightly weird, which Deadpool would totally approve of, by the way. So, you've got all kinds of options for pranking, role-playing, or just bringing a little spice to your streams. If you're looking to step up your trolling game, stand out on your streams, or just freak out your friends for a bit, this is your ticket. So, are you ready to let out your inner Merc with a mouth? Download EaseUS VoiceWave and get ready to become Deadpool without the spandex, unless you're into that.